Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Competition Prep Zone. My name is Khushbu Tiwari. Today we will cover about internship of Microsoft, and which is actually by Inside Sherpa. So this internship you can complete in one day. There are some type of modules. Let's see how we can actually complete this internship. हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का वर्चुअल इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम हम कैसे कंप्लीट करें इन 10 मिनट्स। ओके, सो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना होगा, आपको इनसाइड शेरपा पे जाना होगा, इनसाइड शेरपा की वेबसाइट पे, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे आपको वर्चुअल इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम मिल जाएंगे। ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट हम जाएंगे इनसाइड शेरपा की वेबसाइट पर एंड सी आपको ऐसे वर्चुअल एक्सपीरियंस प्रोग्राम पे आपको www.insidesherpa.com पे क्लिक करना है, and by clicking on this link you will actually get a interface related to all the internship programs. So these are the this is the actually a virtual internship program and you need to find a virtual internship program. इस पे आपको क्लिक करना है। सी मैं ऑलरेडी लॉग इन हूँ थ्रू गूगल अकाउंट, सो मेरा एज अ डैशबोर्ड दिखाया जा रहा है दैट सी वेलकम खुशबू। सो अगर मैंने इस वर्चुअल इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम पे आपको ऐसा एक इंटरफेस मिल जाएगा। सो आपको अगर इंटरफेस चाहिए तो आपको क्या करना है, बैक में आपको दिखा देती हूँ। सी यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा टैग वर्चुअल इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम। सो आपको इस पर क्लिक करना है, गो टू मार्केट, ये आपको मिल जाएगा वर्चुअल इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम में। सो ये आपका आ गया है, दिस इज़ अ go to market MBA Asia virtual experience program. So those are the MBA students or engineering students, they are looking for the internships in this period. So आपको एक बहुत अच्छी internship opportunity मिलेगी and you can actually complete this internship in 15 minutes or half an hour. Okay, so I have already registered, so you need to register now and they are taking to your interface and see यहाँ पे आपको मिल गया है वेलकम टू द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट गो टू अ मार्केट MBA एशिया वर्चुअल इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम। नाउ आपको कुछ सिलेक्ट करना है, सपोज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का आपको किससे करना है, तो मैं चूज़ करूँगी एज अ पर्सनल माइक्रोसॉफ्ट करियर पोर्टल। नेक्स्ट, okay, I have when you why are you interested, I have heard about Microsoft through India, my region is India. Then okay, next, okay, company careers portal. Next, okay, so there are total number of the 1 to 10 question and they want to know what is your understanding related to this Microsoft. And let's go to our first question. So this is the internship related program, so let's start. Yeah, are you happy for Microsoft to view your details and contact you about opportunities at Microsoft? Yes. Have you ever done an internship in-person internship with Microsoft before? If you have, please select I haven't done. I'm very new to this. Do we have an offer from Microsoft to join as a full-time employee or intern? No, I don't have an offer. Let's start this program. Okay, I agree. Okay, so you need to actually accept their policies. Then here is your program modules. See, so there are total number of the Microsoft is giving some type of modules which you need to complete. So this is the welcome to your virtual internship experience. This is the first one and see यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिया जा रहा है, you need to actually give us some research to discover more about Microsoft. सो यहाँ से आपको स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे आपके टास्क, यहाँ पे आपको क्लिक करना है एंड टास्क 1, सी यहाँ पे आपको कुछ वीडियोस दिए जाएंगे लाइक यू कैन गेट अ इंस्ट्रक्शन फ्रॉम सुपरवाइजर लाइक हाउ द टास्क विल बी एंड they will actually brief you about Microsoft. Then through background info, this is background information. Then here is your task that is related to the Microsoft and its business. So there are total number of the 12 multiple choices questions, which you can spend 20 minutes on the task. So this is the facts about Microsoft and Microsoft by the numbers. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपको अपना work submit करना है. If you when you complete all those tasks, let's start. मैं यहाँ पे click to visit a website कर देती हूँ. ओके, सो आपको फैक्ट्स अबाउट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में इन्होंने यहाँ पे हमें वेबसाइट पे, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की वेबसाइट पे हम आ गए हैं. सो दीज आर रिलेटेड टू द इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विच यू नीड टू रीड. Then you need to answer some multiple choice questions. See, you can read these facts. Then coming to next is Microsoft by the numbers. Okay, so we will click on, so you will get some numbers related questions, like here is your details. See, यहाँ पे आपको दिया गया है like it is getting loaded. 999K. So these are the Microsoft with the numbers they have given, like cyber attacks, carbon. Okay, so these are the Microsoft by the numbers. And what you need to do is you need to click here, just click here to start the task. ठीक है. सो मैंने आपको ऊपर जो दो वेबसाइट्स दिखाई, सो वहाँ से जब आपकी रीडिंग कंप्लीट हो जाए, लाइक हियर these are the two websites where you can refer, and you need to answer some questions. As I said, there are some multiple choices question. So like, when was the Microsoft founded? Okay, so these are the four options, and you need to answer some questions related to the Microsoft. Let's get started. Okay, almost that is the 1970. You can actually try again if it is the wrong. See, you will get answer also, and you can go to a next question. Now we will click here to start the task. Okay, so you will get some multiple choices question, like when was the Microsoft founded? So Microsoft was founded in 1975. That is the first option, and you need to click on the answer. Go to the next question. That is, the Microsoft started opening as a material that carbon neutral. Go to next question. Okay, so Microsoft mission. So mission is third answer. Okay, go to next question. That is 1.4 billion. So you were thinking like, how I'm answering this question. I have read that website, and now I'm able to answer this multiple choice questions, and this answer is July. Okay, go to next question. How many AI, artificial intelligence for Earth? 137. Go to next question. Every day, how many signals are analyzed by Microsoft? So it is 6.5 trillion. You can refer their websites. It's very easy, like how I am doing it. So this is Cortana. Cortana is the Microsoft AI. So it was launched, and how many questions have been asked? That is the 18 billion. Next question. Okay, so how many people do Microsoft employ worldwide? So it is around 150,000 plus. Go to next question. How many countries do Microsoft is like 210, they operate in worldwide. Then go to next question. So in 2019, so it is a $125 billion. Go to next question. Now it is what it is $38 billion. Excuse me. So $38 billion. Here I have actually completed my task. See. Yeah. So I got this. So I need to rate. Then after rating, you can say a review. It was a good. You need to give a review. So it was a good internship program. Submit. So you got this message as submit successfully. So now after this, you can go to a next, that is the second, preparing for your internship. This is the second module. Yeah. So in this, you need to click on this, click here to start the task. Then after that, you will get this videos same as like before. Yeah. So this is your task one. Here is your instruction from supervisor, and you will get a knowledge. So what is your task is you have, if we hope you enjoyed the video from Chin Tang Chin, and this is some task they have given. Microsoft Asia Pacific Internship Program. So these are the resources. So you need to click a video. You're visiting a third party link. Continue. So you will be redirected to their new page. This is the third party which they have conducted on YouTube, and they have loaded their resource. So you can refer this. I'll go to their task. Okay. Yeah. So this is their task where you need to actually complete. This is the task template. Yeah, it's opening. See, it is getting downloaded here. So I'm downloading on desktop GTM MBA program, module 2, task 1, save. Okay, so here it is actually getting downloaded, and you can refer this. Yeah, it is opening in Microsoft Word, and after that, when you will complete this work, this Microsoft task, then you can submit your work here, and you can actually you can upload in your CV, and you can actually tell about your this internship program. So you need to actually complete some deliverables. सो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा जो टास्क टू मॉड्यूल 2 का टास्क 1 था वो ओपन हो चुका है, एंड यू नीड टू एक्चुअली आंसर टू these questions related to their template, and their internship program. They ask you about that, what excites you about working at Microsoft, what opportunities are there to you, do you see at Microsoft to utilize your knowledge and skills. So you need to answer these questions, and then after this you need to actually come back to here. You need to submit your work. Then after that, your completed task attempts, and then you will unlock the next module. So in this next module you will actually redirect you to other module. Then this is another task. Then after that you will submit all the modules, and you can upload your work in in CV or LinkedIn, and you can actually showcase yourself that how you have completed your internship and what knowledge you have gained through this internship. As these type of internship is very helpful from the organization point of view, because you're exploring new technology and new areas you are actually exploring. And see, Microsoft is one of the platform which companies they have provided, and through Inside Sherpa you will learn more about how they are working and what technology they are using, like I told before, that is the Cortana. So these type of work you can actually questions you can discover, and you can upload in your CV and you can showcase yourself. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की इंटर्नशिप, एंड आफ्टर दिस completing this internship program you will get a certificate from Inside Sherpa, and you will get a badge also, how I got in KPMG. And similarly you will get a Microsoft internship badge and certificate, and you can upload in LinkedIn. So if you like the video, you can actually subscribe, and you can share with your friends who need this internship program, and you can actually answer these questions through these videos. And if you want to get more updated with our internship and our MBA videos, you can subscribe, and you can like and share with your friends as well. So thank you friends for liking this video and for sharing.